Hey guys, so in the previous video, I showed you how to get the Minecraft edition for Windows. Now in Minecraft launcher, I click on the Minecraft for Windows and I have a button say install. It will then ask you to choose a location to install the Minecraft for Windows. Once you select the location to install, then you start downloading the Minecraft for Windows. Once the installation is done, then you get a button that says play. So click on that to start Minecraft for Windows. Now I ask you to log into your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, then you can create one. So once I log in, and it tells me like, okay, there's a WoW update, give you more information, and I click the button say continue. So now I'm in Minecraft Bedrock edition. I'm just gonna click on the play button. So in the tab of world, I'm just going to click on create new to create a new world, and it brought me to another menu. Many item is being locked. I'm just going to click on the button say create new world. So in this create new world setting, I can name my world, and then also example select game mode and so on, difficulty level. Once you select all that, click on the button create. Now I'm inside the Minecraft Bedrock edition. Great, it's working. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, click a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.